Introducing the 2005 Honda Odyssey.
Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle.
With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, Carfax is offered to provide you with peace of mind.
And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle.
Power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Call today to schedule a test drive.